Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to now see how to get the study area TMI grades, which is the study area which we have, which is this. The next thing first we need to do is to open OIA's montage. Then go to File, Project, New. Go to our desktop. There we go to KT2. Aeromagnetic. They will sorry because I've created another one. I'll say Aero New. We can give it any name. Save. So now it has been saved. The next thing you need to do, come to grades, add grades. Then we'll go back to one more time, click on this back button, go to our data, aeromagnetic, hold shift, click the first, click the last to bring all the four together. Till you have filled, then click on window, close all. And now these are the grades. If you click, right click, properties, this card is being projected. This is the projection coordinate UTM31N in which the data was given, 31N. So that's what we are going to be using. Then now the grids are there. Just come to create an image. Utilities, come down to grid mosaic from grid files. Then the input grids, click on these three dots. Then click on these three dots, go back one more time, data, aeromagnetic, click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one. You can see it has been selected this way, then click open. Then output grid, click on these three dots. I'm going to put it under aeromagnetic, then click on the TMI combined XY. I need to give it XY. This is projected XY, then click on save. Click on save, then click on OK. This will combine all the four into just one. Which is a little bit faster than the other methods which you put them to database. Just make sure that you have enough RAM and computer and hard disk space. Yeah, almost done. Then you click on this doc, then you open it. Fine, this is the main area. Then click on this first, hold the shift, click on the last 264, right click, remove from project. And this is what you have. You see is already 31 degree north, so we need to reproject it to geographic. Reproject files, then click on this graph, then next. It is that pick it up as 31. So note, then we'll say OK. Then we now say TMI combined lat long. Let's cross check 3 dot to see where it is being placed. Okay, it's in the right place. Then I click on next. Then geographic is okay. Then finish. and click on this. You finish. Then now this is what you have. The next thing you need to do is to click this one. This is nice geographic. Then all we need to do is to open this text file. Then you click on these three dots. You see, I'm using Windows 11 to split the window into two parts. Now here, this one is selected. Create an image utilities window, a grid. Then the input is this lat long. The output is the TMI lat long. Then this is ground. Then the minimum is this 4.88. Press the tab key on your keyboard. 5.38. Down minimum 7.38. 7.38. Y max 7.88. You can double check. 4.88, 5.38, 7.38, 7.88, then click OK. So it's done. Now I'll minimize this one, then open this. This now is our stored area. Now to confirm whether it's there, let's see. Let's go to Map Tools, Import, Shapefile, and click on these three dots. This will go back to AKT, and go to Shapefile. You bring that stored area created. Then say do not import, then change this one to current map. So want to place on the current map, then place this. You see a boundary. You see the boundary across it. You see the solid line. Now you see the line across it now. So this is what you have. That means it's perfectly there. You can see the line across it. That means it's okay. Then go to window, close all. No. And now this, we don't need it again. You click this, click this one, and right click that, you delete it so that you free up space on computer. Now this is the TMI we have and work now, which can be used. And I to reproject this one now. Utilities, reproject this TMI to next. Then this now we call it the TMI XY. Then next. Then projected. So you see it's 31. Make sure that you select 31 because that was using, and click OK. Then cell size. Then I'll change it to 200 if I want. This is okay for this case, 200, because the line spacing is around 500. A half to 1/4, 150, 250, 200. So I will take 200. Then finish. Now you see this is the what we have as our two data we have. Then click on window, close all. Now we have produced a TMI grid of the stored area. Then click on file, project, save. That's all for this video.